Example 1. Each year the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency releases fuel economy data on cars manufactured in that year. So below are summary statistics on fuel efficiency in miles per gallon from a random sample of cars with manual and automatic transmissions manufactured in 2012. Do these data provide strong evidence of a difference between the average fuel efficiency of cars with manual and automatic transmissions in terms of their average city mileage? So we're going to run a 95% confidence interval and interpret. And let's assume that conditions for inference are satisfied. So it says that conditions were satisfied, and this problem provides the box plot. We would not be able to really determine this easily without this because we're not given the raw data. When you're just given summary statistics, they'll often say something like this in the problem, or they'll provide some of the visual displays. Press Stat, scroll to Test, select 2SampleT interval. We're going to input our sample mean, standard deviation, and sample sizes, and select the confidence interval and select Calculate. We get exactly the same interval, -6.001 to -1.459. It's not exactly the same though, is it? It's a little bit different. So I want you to notice what the degrees of freedom are. It's 47.55. And that's what the calculator used, which accounts for the slightly narrower interval. So when doing this on the AP using technology, be sure to name the procedure, 2SampleT interval, and give the interval and give the degrees of freedom, give the DF. Make sure you select No for pooled. In StatCrunch, go to Stat, T-Stat, 2Sample with summary. Enter the summary statistics and uncheck the pool variance box and press Compute. And we get the same thing that we did when we used the TI.